My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Neo and Beauty, they don't come out, come fight people wey hate their sheep. And also, the one don't come out, come call out EFCC on top Phyna matter. Recent, the one go dig out a video of where Phyna they abuse the Naira for occasion. She dey spray am for ground the way Bobrisky wey they just arrest and Cubana chief priest wey they just arrest the way they take away their own for ground. And so Phyna take dey away her own for ground. So him come they call her out, they call EFCC, they tag EFCC so that they go come remember Phyna matter. So this na the video.
Why they want? Why they want? Tell them when they come up body for milli. Only one free nation. I got a free nation outside. Who get money know they talk too much. Oh, I could not takasi. The street man a queen, bro. And another queen is loading. Tell them another queen is loading. Tell them another queen.
People are very wicked. Do you know that people have been sending me this video saying that it's only guys that EFCC has been picking up? I say that's your business. You have issue with EFCC, talk to them. They now saw that thing was not working. They now say Phyna is your enemy. Phyna wants your downfall. She said that if she should catch you, she will deal with you in person. All this and I say, see, whatever I'm doing, it's just cruise. I don't want anybody's downfall or anything. Do you understand? They now saw that one is not working. They now say, if it was you, do you know what they would have done to you? That I just said, pfft. So now, first of all, let me even tell yourself, in this video, she did not mutilate the Naira, because I think that mutilation now stepping on it, Abi. She did not do anything wrong. That's if you want to even use this video, number one. Number two, if you want to use me against somebody, it will never work.
I'm not sure say the one go ever let Phyna rest for this life where we say e come Phyna and white money, especially Phyna. I'm not sure say go allow them rest, because this one a monitoring spirit attitude. No matter what, the one they always find, like how you tell even you say na people tag am, they can't tag am, you can't see the video of Phyna where they spray Naira. If they see me, they post a lot of people video for online where they spray Naira. A lot of Nigerians they guilty of it, because our culture for this side. Now the way they say they do one bill now for party, if you never spray money, it will be as if it's never complete. I hope say this video where we saying don't they tag EFCC sayings. I hope say the thing not go bring trouble for Phyna anyways. So Neoti sheep, since this sheep start, peace never reign for internet, because a lot of people they don't want hear the word say Neo they date their fave. Like, which normal person will really want Neo to date their fave? Not be say Neo not be human being, but all of us know the story now. We know as Neo move mad for inside Big Brother Naija Stars. So for Neo move from Baye for inside the house, from after he and Baye do one thing, he go follow Princess. He and Princess, we don't know the kiss where they kiss for corner. He can't go he and the wait be her name Tolani Bad Ure too shook. He and Ure one shook face before the Neo fly go Abuja, go present flower to Nigerian Super Falcon babe. Immediately come out of the house. People will be say they ow for this sheep. I don't know wetin una the ow for. I never even mention Tolani Baju. There are so many. People say na past. Where move they wash. So since he come out, he and Beauty, they say they want they do sheep. Now every occasion they see two of them both for church. The thing they don't do in public, they not even send us anymore. Even as their fans they cry, they say Beauty fans, they say they don't want the sheep. Beauty say no, now that sheep she wants. But today, people, it's like the fans, they don't they fed up of seeing their picture. Now so they start to drag two of them. So as they insult them, they drag them. Now so Neo and Beauty can start to fight fans. This is not the first time where they see Beauty, they exchange word with fans for online. Neo come out, a particular person come and answer say, did you sleep with AY's wife or not? First time where I dey hear about a shower man. He said that shower man, this person is too harsh. Now Neo come say that God go punish your papa. I not blame you. I blame the stupid media that constantly tries to tarnish my reputation over things I know nothing about. Because what the F is my name doing in this conversation in the first place? I'm done ignoring. I get una time. Don't see continue. May God punish all of you that wake up in your house to cook rumors about me. May you continue to sit on your dreams, but have Just enough data to watch me leave mine. Had enough of this BS. Neo, we know to say bloggers we dey sabi blow things out of proportion, fine. But why be say na only your name every time wey be say dey talk about man and woman matter? Why? Na only you come out from Big Brother Naija, Neo. Na only you. Neo dey fight dem, Beauty come out to come support her future husband. She come out, come put out bucket, say make we cry put if we no like the sheep. She bring out the bucket, people come dey tell her say you wey no even fine, you be like lekpa, they come dey body shame her, dey insult her. She come and come say, okay, oya, I accept. I'm the ugliest girl alive, but if I'm this ugly and I'm still finer than you, it is finished. This one na couples go. So make we see some fans reaction after two of them come out to come scatter fans. The first person here say this Shukura man has zero taste in men. The person they talk say na Beauty na be the night they call Shukura. Groovy was way better, but since they want to chase clout, they are forcing this dry sheep on us. No wonder her fans join Bella and Shakes, they are also tired. Another person come say so for her mind na people dey cry as Beauty drop bucket na this person come dey say so for her mind na people dey cry. The last person say don't ever project bondage, no direction Sheila on my classy focus ship. Person come say the most tragic fan bases and shippers are the Sheila people. Come put laughing emoji. They haven't recovered from the fact that their ship was the most hated and still is. Sheila shippers should get this into their head. We no like your ship and we will never like it. I don't understand between Sheila shippers and Nyoti shippers now. I don't even know where this fight start from. All of a sudden, I don't understand una. Sheila shippers, wetin be una problem with Nyoti people? Why not concentrate on your own ship? Make Beauty fans fight this battle for her alone. That one say yama recycling ship, collect your tears Shukura. Go put laughing emoji, cry blood. Me, I no hate Neo as a human being. As a matter of fact, Neo na from my state, but I no fit hide the boy now with the way they misbehave now. I no fit hide am. Between Imaro's sheep, Adenita sheep, Sheila sheep, and this Nyoti sheep, I no know the one wey be say Big Brother Naija fans despise the most. Me, I no like the sheep for Beauty, but if she say na Neo be the rib of her rib and the bone of her bone, wetin I go do? Me, for one, I even prefer the Groovy than the Neo, but since na she don already make her choice now, wetin we go do? As me, I no fit support her, I go just mind my business. Una take care, una bye.